Take your vibes to the next level. Hey lady bosses, my name is Irene Dele Adejimo and I am the founder of Omolewa Cosmetics.
Hey ladies, and this is Stephanie from Osage Treasures.
We've got something special for you, an exclusive event that's a collaboration of elegance and glam. Omolewa Cosmetics has teamed up with Osage Treasure to bring you the ultimate tips and tricks to own the spring season. Are you ready for this?
Ladies, not only are we going to be introducing to you the hottest makeup products, but we're also going to be helping you take your look from one level to the next level using phenomenal pieces from Osage Treasures. Girl, eyes are going to be on you. That's right, on you.
But this is not about just looks. Much more importantly, it is about confidence. This year, you all know that we are in the mindset to pursue, overtake, and recover all.
And in order to do that, ladies, you must feel the full boldness and uniqueness that is indescribably you.
This is an event that you do not want to miss out. We're having giveaways, live tutorials, and a chance for you to connect with fellow lady bosses. Make sure you register right now because spots are limited. Let's make this spring season your most fabulous season yet.